Good morning, students. Is it audible? Let's check.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Today, who all are going to do the presentation? Parshuram, what's the plan? Srinidhi has not yet joined the call.
Hello.
Hello, yeah.
So, sir,
What's the
I'll
plan?
present first, sir. They will
Yes,
present
yes,
after me.
yes, yes. And then you can start. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, the screen is not.
Sir, is it visible?
Not
Hello.
completely. Yeah. There is.
So now. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir.
Morning,
So
morning.
today's my presentation topic is social media strategies and how we can use social media to solve the various business problems. So what are social media strategies? So social media strategy is a summary of everything that a company. Hello.
The screen is not clearly visible.
So just a second.
Others, is it fine?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Can you make it as a slideshow?
Hello.
Parshuram, you have from yeah.
So now.
Slideshow? Yes, perfect.
Hello.
Head.
So now is it visible?
Yes, clear.
Okay. So my presentation topic is social media strategies and how we can use social media to solve various business problems. So first is social media strategy. Social media media marketing strategy is a summary of everything that a company plan and hope to achieve on social media. It includes all the activities like company like various posts and the like, comment and reply which is been received from the various audience of the company. So this is all the social media strategy includes all the activities that a company use, that is company perform on a social media, which various goals are behind posting various goals are been. So there are various goals why company post various things on the social media. So next slide is using social media to solve the business problems. So which are the business problems is solved using the social media? First one is weak brand awareness. So social media can be used to create a strong brand awareness. Using social media, company can present its product and service, which here in social media, company can display their USP of the product, which sets them apart from. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Parshuram, continue.
Okay. Okay. So using social media post, company can present their product and services in a unique way, which sets them apart from the competition. So next one is by posting these things, company can improve its brand awareness. Next one is declining customer retention. So using social media, company can create a strong relationship with the customer. Company can treat their customers as a community, and company can appoint a community manager to interact with their consumers or the audience. This community manager can help consumer to resolve the issues of the consumers on a social media, and they can use this to build a strong relationship with the customers. So the next point is poor online reputation. So social media, there is social media can be used to create a strong image in the customer's mind, or it can harmful for the reputation of the company. So reviews are the main source for the customer to trust the company or the product. So 90% of the customers read online reviews. 88% of the customers trust online reviews as a personal recommendation. 86% of the customers will hesitate to purchase from a business that has negative online reviews. 31% of the customers will spend more on the business that has positive online reviews. 91% will use local business if it has a 4-star rating. So the company should always guide a happy customer to write a review regarding the product and service, and company should resolve the issues of an unhappy customer before he or she writes a review regarding the bad experience that he or she has received. So the next point is decline or non-existent connection with the customers. So creating a strong engagement with the customers by replying, mentioning their names, asking questions, and maintaining the human touch in overall guidance. Company should continuously need to post regarding the various updates of the overall activities, and they should reply the customer by mentioning their names and giving a personal touch and or a human touch to the overall response to the consumer, so that they can feel or overall experience of the consumer is enhanced. So next point is a low search visibility. So to shine on a social media, company need to create various links, and those links should be promoted using Facebook ads and other mediums. So those links should directly to the company's website or the page where the details regarding product and services of the companies are there, so that consumer can get detailed information regarding overall things of the company. Next one is slow sales. So the sales can be boosted using social media by creating impactful and strategic ad design. So in the picture you can see there is ad design is created for the shoe. So design is very unique, and the various details are mentioned, and also there is a button shop now which direct customer to the overall purchase to complete the purchase. So these ads should be posted on the various social media platforms which are available like Facebook, Instagram. So this should be done. Thank you, sir. Hello.
Yeah, quite good.
Hello.
Yeah, really nice. Good experience. Others, any questions for Parshram?
Any questions?
Your team, Parshram.
Yes, sir.
Once you guys are done with collate this.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Yeah. Once you are done with the presentation, collate this PPT and send it in the group.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Do that. Next person.
Hello,
Yeah, Srini, start.
sir. Can you see?
No. Your screen is not visible.
1 second, sir. Sir?
Yes, please. Make it as a slideshow and start.
Yes, sir. So, my topic is step-by-step guide to social media. To creating a social media strategy. So we'll go by first. First is building your cross-functional team. So firstly, we have to create a cross-functional team. They should be the sales, the customer service, the marketing, the content makers, and all the related members should be taken together and as a team, and this cross-functional team will work in all the further strategies.
Yeah.
Yes. The second one, setting your objectives. Here, you need to have according to your business objectives, we need to create a social media goal. So, for example, if we want to grow our brand, then our social media, it's disturbing your audio.
One second, I'll mute it.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So, if you want to grow your brand, then your social media, then your social media goal will be awareness. So, here, then next one. Now, if you want to turn your customers into your promoters or your supporters, then your social media goal will be engaging them and interacting with them. Maybe through the channels like, oh, and then if you set your if your business objective is like driving your leads and sales to you, then your goal will be conversion. The next one, listen to your audience and competitors. Here we have to broaden our listening skills by basically talking to them via channels like which they are mostly uh, hello.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. So by listening to your audience you get the idea to to grow basically.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And we have to
Can you
select a
quote an
proper
example?
channel. Sorry.
Can you quote an example for this?
So,
Listening to your
doing Instagram lives so that and adding your customers so that we can
Yes.
get ideas from them and look into your competitors also. We have to
Yes.
see what they are not providing so that like everyone is not perfect. No, there will be some point where they lack. So we have to make that point.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Now, fourth one, identify your audience. Um, After listening to your audience, before interacting with them, we have to identify that of what age they are and how will we how will we engage them? How will we get them through our content? We have to engage them, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Then fifth one, select your success metrics. Now here, success metrics, as I it depends on your objectives, sir. What objectives or social goals, social media goal we are making, no? According to that, now, for example, if we are choosing awareness to grow our brand, then the matrix will be the followers and the shares.
Okay.
Yeah, and then if we want to turn our customers into our promoters, the why we have to engage them, no? So the metrics will be comments, likes, and we can ask them to mention us.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes, and if it is leads and all, then it depends on conversions and the website clicks and email signups.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir. And the next one, what's your USP? So, we have to ask we have to know like what is that something what a customer wants from us and what we are giving to the customers. Like basic, uh, like what makes our product very outstanding than our competitors.
Mm-hmm. Example?
Example, now if I feel hungry and I'm too tired, I don't want to prepare anything. So there is somebody in the market called Domino's.
Mm-hmm.
They have said ki pizza delivery in 30 minutes or else it is free.
Okay.
So that is their USP, that pizza delivery.
Yes. 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 Okay. Great.
Yes. Then next one, create a channel plan. So with which audience we want to engage and the content plan, the editorial calendar and all. How will we measure the success of a specific platform and all? That now, if you want to engage young customers like about 18 to 30 and all, so we have to target on Facebook, then Instagram, wherein like TikTok also. Now TikTok is not there, but then yeah, it was there. So we can use that platform also.
Mm-hmm.
Like to if we want to engage young people, then we can use these platforms. So according
Okay.
to whom we are targeting, we need to choose the channel like that.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. That's good. Okay. Good presentation with examples. That's really nice. Okay.
Yes.
Any questions for Srinidhi? Others, any questions for Srinidhi? No? Okay. Yeah, fine, Srinidhi. Thank you so much. Okay. A good
Okay, sir.
presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Others, what's the plan? Next person?
Sir, I will do.
Yes, Shruti. Start.
Sorry.
Hello, Shruti. Srinidhi, was it Shruti who was going to present it?
Yes, sir.
She left the meeting.
So there's some problem, I guess.
Okay, okay. What's the plan? Next person. Shruti can do it later. Next person.
Sir,
If there is some network. Amin is present. Amin, hello, check. No, not available. Those who joined late in the chat box, please type your put your attendance students, okay, in the chat box. Okay, she left the meeting. There is some technical issue I feel. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll wait. Prashant had called me. He said he'll be doing it in the next class.
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
also. Others, those who are not yet done with the presentation, the Srinidhi and team, they are covering module 6 students completely. Rest, those who want to pick any topic of your interest, it can be anything out of this 6 module is fine, or if anything general you want to talk about digital marketing, well, that would be fine. If you want to pick a case study and let's do that, then even we can do that. Anything would be fine. Every presentation. Yeah. Yeah, Shruti, you can start. It's a fine at your end.
Hello?
Please share the screen.
Sorry, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, control. Okay. Okay, fine. Start.
Sir, it's
Yes,
visible.
yes.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Today's my topic is social media risk and challenges. First, nowadays, social media has become a powerful tool for business to use in connecting with their customers, and along with it is an accessibility means easily accessibility of comes a risk in many forms. Like first one's safety. In the release of the confidential information about the any activities or sharing the some personal information in the social media, like example upload in the Instagram or any other websites, uploading the photos, personal videos can create a safety means personal risk. Then next one is competitor risk. Choosing the rare primary on traditional marketing practice and other forms of customers communication and the collaborations of many risk losses in the market share. Like example, recently had happened, the footballer the Ronaldo, they pushed their Coca-Cola bottles from their in the press conference. For that, in the share market their share value will decrease by 4 billion dollars. Then I want to give the example of Instagram and Facebook for that. Then next, loss of IP and sensitive data. It means the most of the businessmen should understand their organizations are addressing the risk of in inappropriate release of linkage and their information about theft of their information strategies and network systems and some of the virus attacks and some of doing the human errors in the human error scams, like etc. And example for that, some we have somewhat we are searching in the internet or in the using the social medias networks or any Google, where some of we are searching, then they will ask for us to accept all the cookies, like when we accept no, then our personal details like emails, mobile numbers, that what we uploading first no, that will share in there. So some they will some of it will maybe hack, it will easy to hack our personal informations from that. Then brand hijacking means in that it will do the like there is risk of that prudential from the third party, like example the means company's personal information and unauthorizedly used by the company's name, logo, and also the product counterfeiting means using the same means producing the same low quality of product using the same company name or logo. Example like Fair and Lovely, the came of the Fair and Lovely, like they will produce with a low quality of products. Next comes a uh, compliance of violations, like in there the risk arises of communicating the data and information violence, like example of doing the trademark, copyrights, data security issues, any unemployment issues, then mismanagement of electronic communication. The Twitter case is now it in the court. Court is in that court cases happen for that in the Twitters, because it not accepting any government regulations for regulation rules and regulations for that. Then next we have to go the reputation loss. In the reputations loss arises like employees behavior, setting the unrealistic products, then customer service expectations, and tweeting the inappropriate message in the personal or like internal users for that. And if it will happen that if the company doesn't engage or the company is not properly doing attention in the activities what had happened in the company or in about the in the company in the social media, like it's well for that the company's reputation will lose. It's done, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, fine. Good examples. Really nice. You took the recent example with what happened to Ronaldo, what Ronaldo did in the market. That was really, really nice. Good. Well explained, Shruti. Thank you so much. Any questions for her? Hello? Okay, no questions? Done. Okay. Others? Okay, Shruti, after you, is it Amin who is going to do the presentation? Is it present? Amin?
So
No,
no,
he's
so
not
Amin
there.
is not present. And Harish, so Harish, he said he's out.
He's out. Maybe he'll do it in the next class?
Yes, sir, he'll do it with Prashant.
Okay, okay, fine.
And
Then
Amin
what's the
also.
plan? Amin, Prashant, and Harish will be doing it in the next class. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't ask them not to miss the next class. Let them do that.
Yes, sir.
Others, anyone else, Srini in your team? No? Parshuram is done. He started with the presentation today. Parshuram is done. Shrivan should be done. Okay. Kumar is done. No issues. Okay. Srini, is your audible check?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So it was Amin, right? Amin who was supposed to do, then Harish and Prashant. Okay, maybe in the next class they can start the presentation. Others, just a message for you. For your second internals, the portion is module 3 and 4. Okay. So for your next internals, module 3 and 4. Okay. And once, as I told Parshuram, once you guys are done with the presentation of module 6, unit 6, collate all the PPTs and put it into a 2019 group, okay, so that people can view. Anyway, I'll be putting the recording in the group. And students, few of you had messaged me with regard to the video uploading. Okay, my internet is very slow, dead slow at my end. I'll be going to college and uploading all the videos in one shot. Okay, do not worry on that. Okay. Yeah, before we wind up, any questions, any ambiguity, just let me know.